Hello and welcome to the P. Ventures first episode, where we're going to be starting our new series, Selling Locally. In this first episode, we're going to be taking a look at Kijiji. We're going to go straight into it by looking at some of the listings I have up right now. And we'll check in and we'll come back and expand more on this, of course, in the future. And check out other things like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. But of course, we're going to talk about what makes a good listing kind of versus a bad listing. You want to try and get nice clear pictures of all sides of your item. Any pictures of, things that may be wrong with it, if there's a stain on some of the items or, like a dent in something. Try and get a picture of that so you can better describe it for the buyer. More pictures the better, get as many angles as possible. Now with the title, obviously you want to be grammatically correct. You want to be concise, but descriptive as well. They're Wii games for sale. Keep it simple. In terms of the price, you're going to have to research for yourself on eBay. Check the sold items kind of filter that you can go through and look for what those items have been selling for and try and get an average price on that. Same with the description. You want to be, descriptive, of course. Say anything that may be wrong with the items. And if it's a lot kind of sale like this, you can go through and say what each item is worth, but then also have a price for all the combined items that may entice a buyer to pick them all up at once, especially if you're trying to get rid of some of the product quicker. And then also add any extra details, like delivery for a possible fee. If it's within a certain area, you may be able to deliver it. You could do it for a fee. Some of the last things, try and have e-transfer set up. Be ready for that. I don't have that at the moment. Maybe in a future video we can talk more about that. And of course, like curbside pickup. For now, just drop-off/delivery is fine. And that covers most of what makes a good post, other than when you're making it, you can set some tags for the item. You want to keep them relevant. Just make sure they represent what the item is. So that way, if people are searching, they'll get relevant stuff like your item. Another thing you want to look into is your reputation. You want to try and get 5 stars at all times, obviously. If you're down to like 2-3 stars, people are going to be like, okay, they're not a good seller. If you have bad reviews saying that you don't show up on time, or you're changing the price, or the item wasn't as described, you want to try and keep everything in the clear. Try and have 5 stars. I'm not sure why. I got a 4.5 there, but stuff like that will happen. So you just want to keep working through it, keep that 5 stars. There are trophies and such that you can get while working through that. If you are a quick responder and stuff, it'll start to show little trophies beside your account. To get an idea of what you should be selling your item for, you can go onto eBay, go into your filters, and click sold and completed items. Now from here you can start to get an average price on what the item will sell for and go from there. You can also check out listings that have sold and take similar pictures, take similar titles and descriptions of the item, because obviously if they're sold, whatever they're doing worked, and you can do that in a similar fashion. And that pretty much covers everything you need to know about selling on Kijiji. If you have any other tips or tricks, make sure to leave them in the comments. And other than that, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little notification bell. We're going to have a lot more videos coming soon on different money-making ventures other than selling locally, but we still will have some in this category, like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. If you have any other ideas for ventures, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And other than that, thanks for watching.